represent to Petagaye Lifelife on YouTube. Put it on speaker, put it on YouTube. You hear that? And all up so that make every girl and boy look small right up. All go way up and go down. Lifetime.
Guys, so just leave work and my husband ship me go pick up a package before they close. So that's what I'm doing right now. Lucky enough the taxi driver will drive this way. So I just got through. So right now I'm going downtown now. My hair looking crazy. But might by Burger King. Well no, by Burger King now or when I'm about to leave. So we're going downtown right now. So yeah. As I leave work and things, so cheese patty and fries. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna meet up with someone as well while I'm here. But you know, I got to eat something because you guys know I love my belly. So guys, I got cheese patty and fries. So as you guys know, I don't really like mother's patty, but I'm not. So yeah, and the fries. Guys, see, after I left Shimmy, I met up with Anisha. It's been so long, so I'm gonna show her about downtown and everything. So what? So we're going up in the crowd now. You know, I'm gonna try my best to get some footage.
Yeah.
So
because we don't have to kick down nobody today.
So
I'm joking.
Yeah, alright. She's getting some panties. So Angela panties. So sure do. Like them so far?
So far.
Good morning. How are you guys doing today? As you guys can see, I'm still in my bed. Take off my wig. Yesterday Anisha and I will never get to finish shopping because some stores were closed. So she's coming back and I'm going back downtown. I'm going to continue in today's vlog. So see now the time's around after 11 right now. I'm gonna just get ready. I might go to Papine and get Tasty's lunch, and then I leave from Papine and go downtown. Yes, and then maybe when I'm downtown now and then when we're really tired now, I'm by Burger King. But I feel like a Tasty's right now though. So I'm gonna freshen up myself, tidy up my room a bit, and I just finished catch up on some of my favorite YouTubers. So yeah, charge up my phone because I wanted to try and vlog for you guys as well. Then I have some like shopping, no, not really shopping, window shopping for me because I might go back downtown next week or in the next couple of days to get some stuff. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the vlog, guys. Remember to check out Anisha's vlog channel. Remember to also subscribe on my channel as well. Thanks for the love. Oh, and also I'm going to pull out my hair. I'm not wearing the wig downtown, so I'm just going to pull out my hair and put a brassiere strap. You guys know I stay ready. Put my brassiere strap around it. I'm going to just call it a day. So that's what I'm going to do right now. I'm happy that the rain is not falling because the rain has been falling for like a few days, like 3 days straight. So hope it don't fall because when rain fall downtown it's very disgusting and crony. So yeah, I just get out of bed now, stop the rambling and get myself situated. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Guys, remember as well, if you like to be featured in my next vlog, send me an intro 10 to 15 second video beginning of my channel, basically big up Petagaye Lifelife, and you'll be featured in my next vlog. Like for example, in the beginning of this footage, you saw someone who's sending their videos. You just big me up and then you'll be featured, and then I want to put it on my Instagram and tag you guys as well. So if you're interested, send it through any of my social, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. What else we use? Yeah, or through my email address. All the links are in the description box, so click it and send it to me, and you guys will be featured. And yeah, that's it for now. So I just get ready to come on really hungry. Cause yesterday at work, they gave me lunch around 10, but I was like, that's not lunch, that's breakfast. Over. And then yesterday, as you guys saw, I got a patty. And I was so tired yesterday, so I just came home and sleep. So I need something in my stomach right now, though. So yeah. So I just go get ready now. And then whenever Anisha texts me, I just leave. But my belly her full first. Cause it might take her around maybe half an hour to an hour to come in town. So yeah. Pull my ear grow. Guys, who remember when I had the cream hair? When my hair was relaxed, the day ones. Till I go back natural. But yeah. Arville! Guys, I never bother buy taste. I just buy food in my community nearby. So it will be cheaper and stuff. So I just have it when I'm a stepmother on the road and I'm ready to go downtown. So this is what my outfit I'm wearing today. This. What if I change?
People rock up people that road, then you can change them £5 that we're pulling coming in like a small community with them £5.
Arville, man. You just said that day we had I just cause you don't have, if I have card machine then.
You must
Card machine,
it
yeah.
costs money to call these a card machine. You can pay it costs what? $20?
$20?
Yes, or $30 something for every time I will have swipe it. You can pay the $30?
Yeah.
On top of your food money?
Yeah. Not all the time.
Alright.
Alright. So let's have the food right background or so, and then let's wait until Anisha reach town. I just leave. This is what I got instead of Tasty's food: fried chicken, rice and peas, mac, and raw veg. And this was for 400 Jamaican dollars. So yeah. So guys, right now I'm in a taxi to go to downtown. So I'll wait on the driver, because the driver will pick up something at his house. So I'm waiting. And the rain is still drizzling. So yeah. I think Anisha going to reach before me. Or maybe I reach before her. I'm not sure. So journey downtown with me. So yeah. Anisha don't see me, so she's waiting on me. Baby,
Hurry up, let's go.
How long Miss Yara did I do it?
Hey guys! Oh my god!
lighting in here is okay. Okay, we're currently looking for some stuff. So we're just looking in the boxes and the bins and stuff to see what we like and what we don't like. But we haven't seen anything that we like so far. So we're gonna go into a different store. This is kind of cute. What do you guys think? Yay or nay? This is actually kind of nice. I like it. Okay, so it's hot, man. It's been good so far. We've been buying like a lot of things. Been looking around, seeing what we like, what we don't like. And yeah, that's really it. So let me block her. Okay, so we're in like the business center of Kingston. You guys all know like King Street and all that, whatever. Where the Supreme Court is, we're right by the post office, guys. Like it's just so cool down here. So we're gonna continue looking around.
And we're gonna get some food.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
You should forget about food.
I'm just so interested in the deals. Like there's so much deals. I left from country to come here for the deals.
In the under the eeps. Tell them about your eeps.
Yeah, like you go in the like the pile of clothes and you search through the $100 stuff, $200 stuff. So that's what I like. And yeah.
Tell them to check out your channel.
Oh, you guys can. Why I don't like. You guys can check out my channel. I do a lot of like lifestyle videos. So I do hair, makeup, yeah, DIYs, tags, and talks. I do a lot of Jamaica videos, but my Jamaica videos are based around like helping people who come to Jamaica a lot. So things to do in Manchester, things to do in Clarendon, and all those places. Anyways, that's enough.
Anyways, back to the $3,000. That's so good for me and Anisha. So
I'm gonna try on one guy.
Because I have a a prize giving ceremony. So I need to find a heels. The last time I wore heels was at my high school graduation, and that was a couple years ago. So yeah, we're just going to look right now. Hi, how much for your eye pick? 380. Some 1 or 1 spinal rod.
Wait, how much is the armpit?
380.
I should buy one too.
Yeah, I make the batch.
Yeah, I'm gonna buy one.
I bring 2.
And ask her how much is the aqua
Is
hair
it?
wax.
The eye pick, the blue one,
We're buying some stuff, guys.
and a pack of spiral rods.
Ask her how much is the aqua hair wax.
How much for the aqua air wax? The edge control. Yeah, some one of that too. Which color? You have the red one, you have the white one, you have the green one, you have the orange one. So I'm just buying some stuff for my bathroom. So I need a hair dryer, but I don't think I budget for that today though.
For what?
My natural hair to my blow dryer.
No, dry it out naturally. That's what I do.
No, mine when at 7:30. Here.
Yeah, when at 7:30.
Oh, here when at 7:30.
You have 3
Okay.
You have iPhone? Yes? No one gave me back. Cool.
Pretty good.
Just set me
If y'all don't know, I just So we're looking for a tropical formal dress. So I'm still searching from morning. Still looking. So your price is around 9.5, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So if none more,
Drums? Like
like a who?
drumpers.
Rumpers?
No, like, what do they call drum sets? Drumpers?
Rumpers.
Jumpers. Like
What's the difference?
These are jeans, like they're pants. Kinda. You can do these too if you like the stuff. These. I don't know if you like this
because
style.
remember that it's Thursday after football, but this is our earth checker. Why don't we wait till last minute? I can't understand Jamaican people, wait till last minute.
For what?
To tell me the something.
You still have time.
Guys, we're in Crossroad right now, so we're gonna get something to eat. She requested she wants Popeyes.
Yeah, I only like 2 things from Popeyes, and one of them are the fries, and the other thing is the spicy chicken sandwich. You guys will see it.
And for me, you guys know I love Burger King. So guys, this is what I got. My 2 piece, my chicken, and my drink. It's over there.
We was to stay and they didn't give us a tray. They didn't give us a tray.
Yeah. Just a street room. I think, well, I had a wonderful time today. A lot of walking with Anisha, and it was just a cool vibes. But I got some stuff, so I'm gonna show you what I got today. Not really much. I never really plan on getting anything today because I'm going back downtown in the next couple of days. So I want to just show you guys what I got. Mama, I took to go. He gave me a mango. He's my friend, so he gave me a mango. I totally forgot about it though. So I got the mango. I bought some spiral rod so I can put in my my wig to get some curls. I got the Harpic for the toilet. I got like a tights suit, tights, yeah, tights, pants, whatever. And I got a simple top. It's like, but first, focus. And guys, I didn't realize that the writing matched the pants. Wow, so this and this can wear together. So, yeah, I already ate something, so I'm not really thinking about dinner right now. But I might go around the road just to see if food's cooking or not. But I'm not really hungry though. I'm just ensuring that my people know that I'm home. So yeah, I'm going to have the mango tomorrow. If it's not tomorrow, I'll have it tonight. So yeah.